Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you basic maintenance and cleaning for your steam mop. Regular maintenance of your steam mop is important to ensure it functions effectively, lasts longer, and prevents potential issues. Neglecting maintenance can lead to reduced cleaning power and can cause blockages. Additionally, proper maintenance helps prevent the buildup of limescale and bacterial growth, ensuring your steam mop stays hygienic. Firstly, switch off and disconnect your steam mop from the wall socket. Allow it to fully cool down before cleaning. We recommend removing the water reservoir stopper and emptying the reservoir after each use. The next thing we recommend doing is removing the microfiber cleaning pad and washing it after each use. Please refer to your user manual for the correct way of removing and replacing the microfiber cleaning pad. Wipe the outside of the steam mop with a damp cloth and wipe dry. Do not use any detergents or solvents as they may damage the surface. It is important to check your filter every few months, or more often if you live in a hard water area. If the filter has become discoloured, remove the filter and replace with a fresh one. Next, ensure the nozzle is not clogged up with any debris. Use a paperclip, cleaning tool, or even a small brush to dislodge any visible debris or mineral deposits. Additionally, we recommend checking the outlets on the floor head to ensure they are not blocked. Finally, it is important to descale your steam mop regularly. Please watch our video on how to do this. Your steam mop is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.